Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Connect your Samsung phone and the target display to the same Wi-Fi network. 5 GHz is faster. Once done, swipe down to open the quick panel and tap Smart View. If prompted, grant casting permissions and allow discovery. Make sure the TV or external display is set to its screen mirroring or cast input so your phone can find it. This gets you into the actual connection flow without wasting time on trivial settings. After Smart View shows available receivers, you tap the correct TV or dongle. Names usually list the model or room, so pick carefully. Next, choose connection options. Make a trade-off between resolution and frame rate based on what you'll do. Video favors frame rate, presentations favor resolution. Also enable audio casting if you want sound through the TV, and lock orientation if the app misbehaves. These choices change how smooth and clear the mirror looks. And to finish, stop Smart View from the quick panel or the persistent notification. This cleanly ends casting and freeze resources. If you notice lag or stutter, move devices closer to the router or switch to 5 GHz, and make sure VPNs or downloads aren't saturating bandwidth. If your target doesn't appear, restart both phone and TV, toggle Wi-Fi, and disable battery saver or power saving modes. These often block discovery. This last troubleshooting step fixes most connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.